Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a table into your Word document. It's a very easy step. So welcome. Open your document. I have one on the desktop. And then I want to insert a table. It's upon you to choose how many rows and columns that you want your table to have. So you go to insert. On the top left on your menu bar, there is insert option. Then you go to table. You click on the drop down, you select the number of rows that you want, the number of columns that you want to remember. Once you move your mouse across these squares, you're going to get the number of rows. If you move to the left, you decrease the number of columns. If you move to the right, you increase. If you move down, you increase rows. If you move up, you decrease the rows. So let's create a table like with 3 columns and 4 rows. You can type whatever you want into your table, like name, age, and email address. You can decide to put your name or the names that you are recording. You have Jane, you have Mary. You can put 20, 25, sorry, you can put 30. You have the email address. And that's how you insert a table. You can put any formatting that you need. You select that entire row, you right click, go to table properties, go to borders and shading. You can choose the color that you want to fill. Let's pick that color. Then you say okay. That's just a formatting on your table. If you want to delete the entire table, you click on this holder here to select the entire table, then you delete table. If you want to delete this particular column, you don't need it. You select up here. You have to wait for the cursor, for the mouse pointer to change to look like a drop down arrow. Then you right click and then you delete. You can delete columns. You can select an entire row. You right click there and right click and then you click delete rows. That's how you manipulate a table that you've just inserted. Let's delete the entire table. Delete. And that's how you insert a table. Very simple process. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.